Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Shopify for international sales step by step clearly. To start using Shopify for international sales, first, create your Shopify account. Visit the Shopify website and click on the Start Free Trial button. Enter your email address, create a password, and select a store name. Next, complete your store setup by answering the questions presented. Once your account is created, access the admin dashboard for your store. To enable international sales, go to the Settings section. Click on Shipping and Delivery. In the Shipping section, add shipping zones for the countries you want to target. Select the regions or countries you wish to ship to, then click Done. Set appropriate shipping rates for each zone, either by weight, price, or flat rate. Now, navigate to the Payments option in the Settings menu. Choose a payment provider that supports international transactions. Fill in the necessary information to configure your payment settings. Next, add your products by going to the Products tab in the Admin dashboard. Click on Add Product and fill in the product details, including images, descriptions, and prices. Consider adjusting your prices to reflect any additional costs for international shipping and currency conversion. After adding your products, customize your online store's theme to cater to a global audience. Go to Online Store and select Themes to choose and customize a theme suitable for international customers. Now, focus on setting up multiple currencies in your store. Install an app from the Shopify App Store for currency conversion. Configure the app settings to display prices in the currency relevant to your customers' locations. Once everything is set up, preview your store to ensure it looks good and functions correctly. Next, create policies for international shipping, returns, and customer service. Make sure to include details about shipping times and costs for different regions. Then, promote your store through digital marketing channels targeted at your international audience. Utilize social media, email marketing, and paid ads to reach potential customers globally. Finally, monitor your sales and website analytics to understand your international market performance. Make adjustments as needed to optimize your online store for international sales. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.